Is a safe feeling important for your crowd? Boels now offers an easy and modular way to bring safety to your site. With the mobile vehicle barrier, you can set up a roadblock in a couple of minutes without heavy machinery or large and heavy obstacles. With Boels, the vehicle barrier comes as a set in €1 pallet-sized transport container. In one set there are 6 modules: the wheels, lifting rod and a sign. And it's also possible to build the vehicle barrier up from 2 modules up to the total width that you might need. With one transport container, you can block a width of up to 325 centimeters. The main advantage of this vehicle barrier is that it's easily moved aside for emergency vehicles. It's lightweight and can be assembled by one person. So do you want to give your crowd a safe feeling and still be flexible during build-up or unexpected situations? Contact your local Boels branch or visit boels.com.